We are doing our series on the millionaire Moses, his prosperity secrets for you. Moses was an enlightened spiritual being who also understood principles of abundance and prosperity. And next week, October 13th, we're going to be looking at the law of cause and effect, that things don't just happen randomly in life, that there's actually a principle that is at work, that you and I are always successful because by the law of cause and effect, our thoughts, our feelings, our choices are all creating our life every moment of the day. And so next week, right here at 11 a.m. at the Unity Center, join me as we understand more deeply what Moses had to say about the law that applies right now, right here, in every aspect of your life. I look forward to seeing you then.